Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be slightly different. There will be still some DIY projects during this video, but my main focus is to do kind of makeover, small makeover to my office. So basically it's the room where I store all of my craft items, where I film my videos, where I edit my videos. And yeah, basically it's kind of my room. It's the smallest room in my house, and I think the smallest room I ever seen in my life. Because we couldn't change this room for like a bedroom, we decided to do it my office in here, which I'm absolutely happy with. There is enough space for me and all of my items to keep. So this video, it won't be a massive makeover to my room, because as you can see, the walls are already plastered and painted. The same with the floor. It's original wooden floor which we found under the carpet during renovation. I also got few pieces of furniture which are staying in. I really want to just give good clean, tidy everything, separate all my craft items into like categories, and maybe decorate the wall a bit more. That's the wall which is usually on my videos, so I thought autumn is coming, so I might bring like more autumny decorations, more like full vibe. I think this makeover will take me at least couple of days. There is not a lot to do, but there is lots of tidying and separating items, like I said, into categories. I think that will take me the most of my time. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and maybe let's start with showing you what this room actually looks like.
Okay, so there is entrance to my room. You can see all the walls are painted white, the same with the ceiling. I have to find some nice lampshade. I show you the floor. So this is original floor which we found under the carpet. We just sand it down and protect it. So I really like the final effect. I'm probably gonna put some rug under my table. So yeah, as you can see, the stuff is all over the place. I've been in this room, as I said, for a few months already, but I just couldn't keep it nice and tidy. I was just bringing more and more stuff in here. That's why it looks like that. Look, there's even some clothes. So the desk will stay where it is, with the same with the drawers. I like it because it's under the window, so it's nice and bright when I'm working. There is also this big shelf kind of thing, which gonna stay in the same place as it is. And yeah, lots of stuff. So I really want to keep this room like minimalistic and bohemian style. I got one more piece of furniture to go in here. I will show you that later. It's super cute and I'm really excited about. So the best way to start this little makeover, I think it will be just to get rid of the stuff from here and start from beginning. So maybe let's just make it empty. Okay, so I removed everything from here. Now it doesn't even look that small, to be honest. So what I'm gonna do at first is just to give a good clean all surfaces, hoover the floor, mop the floor, and then I will be back. So I get rid of all of the dust, I hoover and mop the floor, and it's already dry. So I will start with bringing my new piece of furniture. We have put it in here. It's my recently find from cardboard sale,
And if I tell you how much I pay for it, you won't believe it. Let me show you. So yeah, recently on cardboard I found this beautiful Decor bamboo drawers. It's got 4 drawers, it's super light, so easy to move it in a different place. And I paid for it £4. It's pretty good. I already hoover it, clean it, so it's ready to put my stuff to the drawers. And I think, yeah, that would be the best option, just to start filling these drawers. So then I see what other stuff I've got left, which can go to these shelves. And I think this kind of furniture goes really well on nice wall. As I said before, I want to keep it kind of like minimalistic and bohemian style at the same time. I don't want to have too many items in this room because obviously of its size, but I think this one is just perfect size and fits here well. I need more like a storage space, and this is brilliant. I can still sit here and got enough room for my chair, and I always can turn and take something from the drawers, so I'm really happy with this purchase. Also, to secure the drawers inside and make them a little bit stronger, I found some like dining mats, which after folding in half they fit perfectly inside. So with the last drawer I decided to put some of my fabrics. I got different kinds of fabrics, different colors and shapes, and usually they're all over the place. So yeah, I decided to put them all in one drawer at the bottom. Hopefully they will fit in there. And the next drawer I'm gonna fill with my paints. They mostly acrylic paints, some spray paints. So it would be nice to keep them all together in one place, as I usually can't find the color I'm looking for. So I think just the best way, because they like a really small tubes, I'm just gonna chuck them inside. With the paint brushes, some of them I'm gonna put it to this organizer, and the rest probably just throw inside like this. And the next drawer, I decided to put there some bits and bobs really. It's hard to put them in like categories, so I got some like beads in here, new beads, like wood slices. And then again, for the last one, I got some bits and bobs. I got my wood burner, hot glue gun, some rolling pin, white clay, some like decorative tissues. Then I got this one, like beautiful vintage brown leather vanity case, which I put some new fabric inside, polish it a little bit outside, and I really like it. Yeah, it brings more like a vintage look. And for this one, I think I'm gonna put all of my kind of like small pieces of fabrics, laces, like patches, all kind of things like that.
I got these two big containers when I keep mostly like yarns, wool, this kind of thing. And in here, half of it is embroidery hoops and the rest of yarn. So I just want to go through it again. Maybe there's something where I don't need anymore. And yeah, and like separate it, put it nice and tidy together. Okay, so now maybe let's organize this space, all the shelves. These two containers, they will go on the bottom shelf. And then I have to see what I'm gonna put on the rest of the shelves. So that's the basket where I keep all my previous projects, which are quite small enough to fit in there and which I don't use. So I can put it at the back. And this is the paper bag which I've done in one of my videos. As you can see, it's super strong. I'm keeping my ropes inside. So now I would like to decorate my windowsill and the desk. I don't have too many items to decorate with, only because the desk is actually the place where I do most of my project. So I don't want to have too many items which I will have to remove all the time. And the same with the windowsill. I don't like when there's too many items in it, especially in here when the natural light's coming in. So I don't want to like cover it up. So yeah, literally on the desk I'm only gonna keep some coaster to put my Mac on and protect the table surface, and little basket where I keep like a bits and bobs, some pens, measuring tape, something where I use the most, and easy access, but at least it's nice and covered inside the basket. What I want to do now is I've got these like cork coasters from IKEA. I was thinking, I got 3 of them, so I was thinking to put them here on the wall. So it's easy to pin some like cards to remember something, things to do that day. I think it would be a nice place, just I can see it all the time. And to attach them to the wall, I'm using some normal nails like stickers, which you can later on easily remove it. So to decorate my wall, I decided to use 2 golden frames, which are recently put in the cardboard. I showed them in one of my charity haul / cardboard sale haul. And my idea is for the small one, I'm gonna use some craft leaves, put them just behind the glass. And for the bigger one,
I want to paint some pumpkins, so I literally want to keep everything in more like autumn fall mood. There is also some paint and the glue paint brushes which I'm gonna use in this project, so let's start doing it. So as a background for my leaves, I'm just gonna use the white paper, and I literally gonna fold it to the shape of the glass and then glue the leaves to one side of the paper. And for the bigger frame, I created some design which I want to place in here. Just like a rough design what I want to paint, and that's the colors I'm gonna use for my pumpkins. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this little transformation. As you can see, I haven't done any big changes, but I just want to tidy my room and organize everything and bring some more autumn decoration in here. I will try to keep it clean and tidy, have this now for as long as I can. I promise it to myself to always put stuff away which I'm using. I usually organized person, but when you got such a small room, sometimes it's just hard to keep everything clean and tidy. So if you like the look of my room now, please click the like button and let me know in comments down below what else you would do in this room. If you got any suggestions, idea, I'm happy and open to read them and might take them to consideration. So this room was done on really low budget. Most of these items are thrifted, like from car bros or charity shops. Most of my furniture, are thrifted, all the decorations. So yeah, really low budget, and I'm really happy with the result. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.